Hey everyone, BenQ is set to introduce the LH750 LED projector to the European market on February 25, 2025. Designed for conference rooms, this new DLP projector boasts a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, making it a compelling choice for professional settings that require high-quality visual presentations. With a brightness of 5,000 ANSI lumens, the LH750 ensures clear and vibrant images, even in well-lit environments. Its ability to cover 98% of the RECPR's 709 color gamut guarantees accurate color reproduction, which is essential for business presentations, training sessions, and other professional applications. A standout feature of the LH750 is its impressive contrast ratio of 500,000 to 1, which enhances depth and detail in images. The projector also supports 30-bit color depth, contributing to a more dynamic and visually engaging display. Longevity is another strong point, as the LED light source in eco mode can last up to 30,000 hours, significantly reducing maintenance and operational costs. The built-in 20-watt speaker provides sufficient audio output for medium-sized conference rooms, reducing the need for external sound systems. Its 1.62x zoom offers flexibility in installation, allowing users to adjust the projection size according to their specific needs. The LH750 also includes both vertical and horizontal keystone correction, making it easier to set up a properly aligned image, even in challenging installation scenarios. Additional features such as support for 3D and HDR HLG enhance the projector's versatility, catering to various multimedia content. The connectivity options include HDMI 2.0B, RJ45, RS232, and USB-A 2.0, providing users with multiple ways to connect their devices. While WLAN functionality is not built in, it can be added separately for an extra cost of €49. Weighing 5.5 kilos, the LH750 is designed for easy transport and setup. It offers a projection distance ranging from 154 to 513 centimeters, accommodating screen sizes from 60 to 200 inches diagonally. Noise levels vary depending on the mode of operation, with eco mode operating at a relatively quiet 29 decibels and normal mode at 34 decibels. The projector is also compatible with remote maintenance platforms such as PJ Link, AMX, and BenQ DMS Local, making it suitable for IT-managed environments. Despite its official launch date being set for late February, the LH750 is already available for purchase through third-party retailers like B&H, AV Parts Master, and Bechtel. Priced at €1,399, the LH750 delivers a strong balance of high brightness, long lifespan, and professional-grade features, making it a valuable addition to conference rooms and corporate settings. In a related development, LG has introduced the PF600U, a unique 3-in-1 projector that doubles as a Bluetooth speaker and LED mood lamp. Featuring full HD resolution, 300 ANSI lumens, and LG's WebOS platform, the PF600U offers stereo speakers, adjustable lighting, and auto screen adjustment for screen sizes ranging from 30 to 120 inches. Its 110 degrees tilting head provides additional placement flexibility, making it a versatile alternative for those seeking a compact and multifunctional projection device. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Write what you think about the project in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.